you won't know how to cook when you're up in Mars. You won't have to cook for you. So you gotta learn. Caution. When you're making soup, please be careful with knives and other sharp tools for cutting. Today I will be making a tangy soup, and it has some ingredients such as garlic, carrots, tomatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, pepper, and beetroot. And some seasonings are chili, turmeric, and salt. You can also add orange juice to make the flavor tangy. First, get all the ingredients that I just said. Then cut them, and you want to have at least 4 or 5 pieces of garlic. This is how the garlic should end up at the when you're done done with the garlic. This is how the carrot should look. This is how the tomato should look. This is how the broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage should look. This is how the pepper should look. This is how the beetroot should look. And we should just keep the seasonings the same. We are also going to use a protein called lentils. First, you want to wash and rinse and soak the lentils for 20 minutes, and then put everything in. You can use Instant Pot or a pressure cooker, but for this I'll be using an Instant Pot. But I have a pressure cooker up here to show you that you can. Pour everything into the Instant Pot, and also after you're done adding the lentils, pour all the fruits and veggies into the Instant Pot or pressure cooker. Next, you want to add 2 cups of warm water into the Instant Pot. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of chili. Next, mix it and put it in the Instant Pot after you're done mixing. Now, put the pot into this Instant Pot and then close it. Press pressure cook. If you are at like a different number, just keep on pressing plus until you get to 30, and then it'll start. You can have fun while you wait. The veggies and all the stuff in the Instant Pot are cooked. Now pour all the stuff in the Instant Pot into the blender to mash up all the veggies. Now that everything in the Instant Pot is transferred into the blender, let's add some coriander. Next, press the blend button and then press play. Now as you can see, it's starting to blend up. And it's taking the coriander at the top and putting it in with everything else, and then it's mushing and cutting everything. And who cares if it's shaking? Let's grab some oranges and squeeze the oranges. This is really tough by using a tool like this. Next, add the tangy orange juice. Put it in the soup. Let's taste this good soup.